Welcome to the deep dive. So we're tackling a really significant issue today. There's this massive global talent shortage,
Hmm.
especially in those fast-growing, high-paying tech fields, specialized jobs. And, well, people just aren't getting the right skills quickly enough.
That's right. And we've been digging into sources looking at extended reality, or XR, that mix of virtual and augmented reality, as maybe a way to speed things up.
A shortcut.
Kind of. Specifically looking at platforms like Eon Reality's XR Library Premium. They claim it can make people proficient much, much faster. So our goal today is to figure out, which careers are most stable, most resilient, and how this XR training supposedly works so quickly.
Okay, because the scale of the gap is pretty stark. It makes finding a solution feel urgent. Take IT and cybersecurity. We're looking at, what, over 500,000 unfilled jobs just in the U.S.?
Yeah, it's huge. And some of those roles, like in cloud computing, they pay upwards of $120,000.
Wow.
And it's not just tech either, green energy jobs. They're projected to grow over 45% worldwide. Huge expansion.
Right. And then there's healthcare. I mean, that's always seen as recession-proof, isn't it?
Pretty much. They're projecting 13% growth, nearly 19 million jobs in the U.S., many paying $70,000 or more. These are really solid career paths for the future.
Okay, so if the need is that big, can we really train people for complex roles that quickly? The sources talk about a shift, right? Moving away from just reading textbooks, passive learning.
Exactly. Moving away from that siloed training towards something more immersive. Cross-disciplinary XR learning, they call it.
And the big claim is speed, taking proficiency timelines down from, say, 6 to 12 months,
Down to just 6 to 8 weeks.
which honestly sounds almost unbelievable.
It does raise a skeptical eyebrow, doesn't it? I mean, is 6 or 8 weeks genuinely enough for something like cybersecurity? Or are we just talking basics here?
That's the million-dollar question.
Well, the why behind the claim seems to be these things called immersive digital twins.
Okay, what are those exactly?
Think of it as a perfect virtual replica of real equipment. Expensive stuff, maybe dangerous stuff, like an industrial robot or a complex data setup. Not just a video, but interactive.
So you can practice without breaking anything or hurting yourself.
Precisely. Unlimited practice, zero risk. That's the key difference. Repetition without consequence.
Okay, I can see how that helps build skills faster, like in manufacturing.
Right. A technician could practice reprogramming a robot arm over and over in this virtual space, run diagnostics, fix simulated problems, thousands of times, maybe?
Until they've really got it down before they touch the actual production line.
Exactly. Same idea for safety. Think green energy. A trainee could do a virtual wind turbine climb and repair, practice all the safety checks, the procedures.
While standing safely on the ground. Okay, that makes sense. So this covers what? 5 main areas?
Yeah, the sources highlight 5. Healthcare, advanced manufacturing, IT cybersecurity, green energy, and AI machine learning. Critical sectors.
But it has to lead somewhere, right?
Yeah.
The training needs to actually connect to jobs,
Yeah.
be verifiable.
Absolutely crucial. The sources stress that the content aligns with, industry standards, what employers are actually looking for, and known certifications.
So it's not just random training modules.
No. It's designed to build towards recognized credentials. Like in IT, the learning path might take you from basic security concepts up towards what you need for, say, a high-level CISSP certification. It's about linking those skills directly to the jobs that are in demand, those resilient careers we mentioned.
Okay, so if this XR approach delivers the hard skills, cloud computing, robotics, managing green energy systems, things needed for that, what is it, $15.7 trillion AI economy,
Yeah, a massive figure.
then it seems like a potentially powerful tool.
It does, but what's really interesting, and maybe a bit unexpected, while it's focused on hard technical skills, the curriculum also includes courses on things like AI ethics and responsible innovation.
The governance side of things.
Exactly. Which brings up a bigger question, maybe for you listening. If getting ahead in a technical field now also means you need to understand the ethics, the governance, the compliance around AI, what does that really tell us?
About the future of tech careers.
Yeah. It suggests that just having the technical chops, well, that might only be half the equation anymore, right? The other half is understanding how to use it responsibly, something to think about.